How's it going, guys? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to get the wheel on the splitter, get that rolled into place if all goes well, so stick around. It's time to get up in there nice and deep. We're going to get her in there deep. Oh, yeah, up in there. Big shout out to Tire Discounters. Put my tire on me. Didn't even charge me nothing. That is where I get my tires, but he didn't know that. He was just super cool. So that was cool. We'll be ready to go. Gonna get this moved to its new home. Deep, going in deep. There she is. I took it to the bottom of the bag. Okay. Yep. No. It ain't gonna be for lack of grease, that's for sure. Go. Go. Alright. We'll put a little more on there. Don't get it all up in there. Real good. Yep. It's like KY, but for a tire. Gross. There we go. Alright. Make sure this is good and clean. Go. Oh, and I didn't bring my jack. I brought it the other day, but I didn't bring it today. All right, we're gonna have to get all caveman on it. All right, see if we can get this thing lifted up. Slide another piece of wood on there. See what we can do here. All right. There we go. Old piece of fencing. Let's get it clean here. Not want any crud on that. Better get it up in here too. Get up in there. Get up in there real good. We're gonna get both holes. There we go. So that's just gonna come right out. What you call that? That's alright. Never have too much lube. Alright. There it is. Now let's see it in there. That's what she needs to look like. Nope. Good and lubed. Ready to go. All right. All right. What's up? That wheel is properly integratized. Look at all that integrity. Oh yeah. Almost tasty. You're gonna need to get her up off of that wood there. Gotta get off the wood, boy. There's one. And there's two. Right. Yeah, boy. Yeah, mule, yeah. Come on now. Put that belly into it, boy. Yeah. Oh, don't stop now. Yeah. Come on, boy. Get that belly moving. There you go. Here we go. Come on now. Yeah, keep it going. Keep going. It's heavy. Keep it going. Wait, that's the wrong way. Still the wrong way. Perfect. Perfecto. Victory! And remember, no matter what you do or where you do it, always do it with integrity.